In this video, I am co-hosting a collaboration. Now, if you're interested to find out more about it, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, friends. This is Stephanie of Creatively MsMe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I share how to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If you like this kind of content, I would love for you to stay and subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family members, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's get into this video. Okay, here's the drawer I am going to tackle. This is mainly, I want to say, a dump drawer. Okay. I automatically keep these drying mats in there, and then my hot pads. I bought these 2 new hot pads. Thought it was 4, but I bought these hot pads here because, you know, my kitchen is gray. But as you see the rest of this foolishness in here, this is what I'm going to work with. So here we go. Now this video is part of a open invite where I am a co-host. Now the title of this video is Organized Kitchen Drawer Collab. And the host of this channel is Penny at Penny's Place. And her co-hosts are myself, Stephanie at Creatively MsMe with Stephanie, and Julia at Accessorize Your Life, Michelle at Buck-Eyed Girls, Reefs and More, Really Good Living with Lady Phoenix, and Karen at In the Kitchen with Karen. Now, if you're not familiar with anyone's channel, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist down below in the description box. Now, what we were to do was to organize the drawers in our kitchen. Simple. So that is what I am attempting to do. So just stick around.
Got my head over water for the first time in years. Got my feet crossed the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. Will lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out. Feeling free, free to live my life, free to roll the dice, free to go left or right. I wanna feel free to go wherever I choose, free to stay or just cruise, free to sing, free to dance, free to give into lust and romance, free. That's what I wanna be. That's what I wanna be. Now things are moving along and I'm picking up speed. I'm singing my own songs and making ends meet. But good enough ain't good nor enough. When going for gold, then things can get rough. What lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out. Feeling free.
Now when I open the drawer, it is not as crowded as it was earlier. Everything has a place except for this. Everything is in a place where I need it to be, where I can get to it. It looked like a bomb had exploded earlier. Now these fit in here neat. The drawer is clean. Whew. I've been needing to do that. Now it's done. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.